Good evening, guys, and welcome back to another episode. I'm the Friendly Investor, your favourite investor channel. I hope you're well. I'm doing well, thanks for asking. And today I'm going to show you a hot Chinese EV stock that has potential to be the #1 autonomous vehicle in China and potential to rival Tesla and be better than that in the next 10 to 15 years. I think you're going to love it. Before we start, it's not financial advice, it's for entertainment purposes only. Let's rock and roll. So the company I'm going to be talking about today is BYD. It's a Warren Buffett backed stock. It is a huge company, over 600 billion market cap, and they've just released they started in last year, but they started to work on electric vehicles. So BYD is a high-tech company devoted to technological innovations for a better life. BYD was founded in February 1995, so it's a relatively new company in comparison to some of these larger market cap companies. And after more than 20 years of fast growth, the company has established over 30 industrial parks worldwide and has played a significant role in industries related to electronics, automobiles, new energy, and rail transit. So it's quite comparable to Cathie Wood's Arc Innovation. They focus on disruptive innovation. This is a technology company that looks to innovate and improve ways and systems that can be improved. For instance, sustainable energy. They design electric vehicle cars, and they look at using their knowledge and wealth of experience and their large capital to invest into these innovative areas. So it's a really great company. So let's look at the one I want to be talking about today is their EV vehicles. As a global pioneer in new energy solutions, BYD is dedicated to building a zero-emission ecosystem. They strive for a sustainable future for electrification. Let's reconnect with nature and live in a world with clean air. Great model, great management team. They've done extremely well to raise the amount of money they have and to be worth over a couple $100 billion, or 600 billion within 20 odd years, 25 years, 26 years. It's massive to them, and it shows how well this company is growing and where they're going in the right directions. And the important piece of information I want to bring to you today is backed by Warren Buffett. This is huge news, and it has really impacted, in my opinion, how the way the people view this company as NIO, XPeng, and Li Auto, the main three. Really, this company has really swept in there and has already surpassed some of these vehicles in sales. Automaker backed by billionaire Warren Buffett said its new electric luxury sedan Han has seen sales increase every month to surpass 10,000 units in November. This is huge. At these levels, the Han model alone is selling just as well or better than vehicles from China's electric car startups NIO, Li Auto, and XPeng. As a matter of fact, that's true. They've already sold more cars than Li Auto and XPeng. However, they are closing in on NIO. And now NIO, they're a large company of about 90 billion, but compared to these and the size of these guys, they are threatened by this company now, which is very exciting. And I could really see this company being a huge competitor. In late September, BYD said it delivered 4,000 units of its new electric vehicles stand in August, and that the orders had topped 40,000 at that time. This is amazing news for this company. Now let's look at the financials. So I like looking at over a year because you can really see how this stock has grown, and not by the day-to-day movements where the volatility of a stock is really present and you can see a long trend and see where it's moving. So it's 813 billion market cap, not 600 billion. This is huge news, guys. You really should pay attention to this. 52-week high, 278.4, 52-week low, 33.5, currently at 249. And we can see that, look at that trend, look at that growing trend. They're investing into the right areas, and they're really using their technology to build some sustainable products. For instance, this EV car, I can see it potentially being one of the top three now with NIO, Tesla, and then it'll be BYD company. I can really see this company thriving. And within the next 5 to 10 years, my prediction is that this company is going to be it's going to double or triple from where it is right now. So I can see it being about a $500 stock in the next 5 to 10 years. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think of this company and what other sustainable stocks you're looking at, for instance, EV, renewable, or it going into space. I'm very interested. I'm open to researching a lot for you guys, so just let me know what you're interested in. And drop a like and subscribe, because I'm almost at 100 subscribers, so I really appreciate all the support so far. Cheers, guys. Have a great day, and I'll speak to you